Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Angel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're not new, welcome back. This is what I'm working on today. This kind of celestial set. I just wanted a chance to use the Shay J, the 12D collection. And I hadn't used it yet since I bought it, so I fell in love with this really pretty blue with a purple shift, and it's glitter, and I think it is just stunning. So this is number 6 for out of the 12D collection. I also have this pretty lavender violets, and this is just a really deep, dark kind of purple, and I don't think you can get this anymore. I did buy this last year. I do enjoy this brand. I think this came out of their polychrome collection. And one thing that I found out about it is you can actually create swirls with it. So that is what I did there on the bottom there. And I'm also using the Born Pretty metal painting gel for the silver there. And this is just going to be a watch me work type video. It's really not that hard, but I just wanted to showcase some of these really pretty polishes that, I haven't used yet. And this was such a pretty collection. I do have a swatching video on that if you want to check that out. There's lots of really pretty polishes there. So basically all I'm doing is putting a coat of this beautiful blue sparkles, and it is a cat eye, so when you put the cat eye on it, it has a purple shift, and it is just so pretty. Even like that, it is gorgeous. So I'm just going to bring the cat eye up. Like, look at that. So pretty. You're going to give it a cure once you're happy with how it looks. And I'm just going to do that to every nail. how it's looking so far. Okay, here is how it's looking so far. They're kind of like moody clouds. It's kind of how I kind of envisioned it. So now we're going to go in with our Born Pretty. And a liner gel. Or a liner brush. And make sure that you do give that a really good stir. Make sure all those pigments are up from the bottom. It's nice. I'm like using all of my favorite things in one video. So I'm just going to outline these clouds. They are clouds. Just like so. And with this polish here, or this gel, you are supposed to wait a few seconds. Bring out the shine. Okay, then we'll give that a cure. Okay, so now we're going to go in and draw on our stars and our moon. And I'm just using a dotting tool to start out with dots. Okay, friends, that's going to be the end of this video. Here's how they turned out. I think they're kind of cute. They're very simple. And for the most part, how long is this video? 16, 17 minutes. Yeah, for the most part, I think I only used double speed. So that means that these only took about an hour to do, not including lamp time. So that's not too terrible. You can get a fresh manicure in an hour. Okay, friends, well, don't forget to hit the like button if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel, of course. And until the next video, bye, friends.